Lesson 62. Let's speak in English with Toto. Listen, write, read, and repeat. Hello, Elizabeth. How are you? Hello, Elizabeth. How are you? Hi, Melissa. I am fine, thank you. And you? Hi, Melissa. I am fine, thank you. And you? I am fine too, thanks. I am fine too, thanks. Melissa, are you busy? Melissa, are you busy? No, Elizabeth, I am free. Why do you ask? No, Elizabeth, I am free. Why do you ask? I need a little help. I need a little help. Of course, Melissa. How can I help you? Of course, Melissa. How can I help you? I lost my wallet in our home. I lost my wallet in our home. Don't worry, we will seek and find your wallet together. Don't worry, we will seek and find your wallet together. Thank you so much, Melissa. I am relieved. Thank you so much, Melissa. I am relieved. Let's not waste time, Elizabeth. Let's go look for your wallet. Let's not waste time, Elizabeth. Let's go look for your wallet. You are a best friend, Melissa. Let's go. You are a best friend, Melissa. Let's go. Thanks, Elizabeth. Then we play volleyball if you want. Thanks, Elizabeth. Then we play volleyball if you want. Great, of course. I want to play volleyball. Great, of course. I want to play volleyball. See you soon next lessons.